Hello, welcome to Roseman's Mandarin Garden. I'm Roseman. In our previous episode, we discussed the Mandarin phonetic system, covering initials, finals, and 4 basic tones. But there is another tricky problem. The pronunciation of a character is not always the same. This is called sound change. In Mandarin, there are 3 major types of this phenomenon: 变调、轻声、儿化. They are similar to reductions, weak forms, or contractions in English. The core function is to make speech more natural and smoother. Today, we are going to discuss the first one, Tone Sandhi, 变调. Tone Sandhi means a specific tone changes when it appears in certain combinations. Because these changes facilitate natural speech and flow, they are mandatory, not optional. If you don't apply them, your Mandarin will sound unnatural or even cause misunderstanding. As you can see, there are 3 most common rules for Tone Sandhi. Sandhi of the third tone, Sandhi of the character I, Sandhi of the character Bu. I means one and Bu means no or not. Let's look at the first one. Third tone Sandhi. When 2 third tone characters are placed together, the first one is pronounced as a second tone. For example, 你好，你好，你好，水果，水果，水果，很美，很美。很美. If the third tone is followed by any other tone, first, second, fourth, or a neutral tone, it is usually only pronounced as the falling part and doesn't rise anymore. For example, 北京，北京，北京，美国，美国，美国。努力，努力，努力，耳朵，耳朵，耳朵。But what happens if there are 3, not 2 third tones? If 3 third tone appears together, the change depends on the meaning. Is it 2-syllable words plus modifier or modifier plus 2-syllable words? The specific rules are listed as below. 展览馆，展览馆，展览馆。很勇敢，很勇敢，很勇敢。Okay, let's move on. We can discuss the rules for these 2 characters together. They behave in a similar way. When followed by a fourth tone, both change to a second tone. However, when followed by a first, second, or third tone, both are pronounced as a fourth tone. In short, when the 2 characters start a word, they generally cannot have the same tone as the one that follows. 一定，一定。一样，一样，一个，一个，一天，一天，一年，一年，一起，一起，不，不，不是，不是，不要，不要。不对，不对，不吃，不吃，不来，不来，不好，不好。Okay, that's all for today's mini lesson. I hope it's useful in your learning. You can download the free PDF for practice. The link is in the comments. See you next time. Bye.